Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to open an account with NatWest Bank, one of the leading banks in the UK. Whether you're new to banking or switching accounts, this guide will help you get started. First, let's go over the requirements. To open a NatWest account, you'll need a valid ID, proof of address, your national insurance number if you're in the UK, a smartphone or computer with internet access for online applications. So make sure these documents are ready before you start the application process. Head over to the NatWest website or app and click on the products button, which you'll find beside your logo at the top left. So once you click on that, you'll be able to find this drop down. Click on the bank accounts tab and click on the see all your bank accounts tab. Scroll down, and once you scroll down, you'll be able to find the types of bank account that you can open on NatWest. So go ahead and click on that continue to select account button, and in here you can go ahead and find this ready to apply button. So click on that once you're ready to apply. So in here you'll be able to find the requirements to be able to apply for a NatWest account. So go ahead and scroll down on this section. Once you scroll down, you'll be able to find the section where you can actually start your application. So hit on that continue button. Answer this first question if you're a new customer or an existing one. Select the type of account that you want to create. And in here, you'll be able to find the process of creating an account on NatWest. Hit on that start your application button, and that will redirect you into a new page where you can actually start your application for an account on NatWest. In this section, you need to fill in your personal details, including your name, address, and contact information. Upload your ID and proof of address as prompted, and create your online banking credentials such as username, password, and security questions. Don't worry, the process is user-friendly, and there are helpful tips on the website to guide you through. After submitting your application, NatWest will verify your details. This might take up to 1 to 2 business days, and once approved, you'll receive your account number and sort code. If you opted for a debit card, it will arrive by post within a week. And that's it. Opening an account with NatWest is straightforward and can be done from the comfort of your home. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to guides. See you in the next video.